Alright, this video is about fixing the Realme GT Master Edition. The initial cause of the problem is the LCD, and then the customer dropped the phone while driving. The LCD broke and the frame got bended. Then the customer brought the cell phone on my shop. I replaced the LCD. When I returned the phone to the customer, he complained that the touch is not working properly. So he returned the phone again, and I did some testing. I replaced the flex cable connector from charging board to the LCD, and the issue on the touch still is happening. So I keep on testing, and then suddenly the phone is not turning on anymore. So it's a dead boot. After troubleshooting, I cannot fix the issue anymore. So I had to stop working on it for a month. And then when I had a time to check again the phone, I measured this specific port. This is the one that I tested using the flex cable. This connector doesn't supply any voltage, and as you can see, there's a black spot in the copper. That may be the cause of the issue, but on this side here, both side, the C copper, C and the inverted C, those are coppers. It doesn't provide any voltage. Something is disconnected on the motherboard. This connector is directly attached to the main board. So what I did is I soldered this, or I applied hot air 320 degrees on this specific FPC connector, and that seemed to fix the problem. Let me show it to you. I just used a voltmeter to measure the copper. One end is connected to the ground and the other is pointing or touching the coppers, and it's not providing any voltage. By the way, the cell phone is attached to the charger while I'm testing this one, and it's not supplying voltage on this specific FPC port. It is providing voltage on the charging port, so meaning there's voltage on the charger, and it's supplying to the motherboard, and the voltage is cut on this specific FPC port. So something is disconnected. So I did not see any burn marks on the motherboard, so it could be that it's just the FPC connector that is disconnected from the main board. We just can't see it because it's just too small. Even microscope cannot see it. So what I did is I applied heat on that FPC port. I've added flux and then applied heat, 320 degrees Celsius heat. And what happened is it's gonna melt down the lid behind this FPC. The reason why I applied flux is so that it's not gonna burn the FPC connector. So it's just the lead behind this FPC connector. Somehow it got connected back, and when I tested it on the voltmeter, it is now supplying the voltage. Very small amount of voltage, and that seemed to fix the issue. And as you notice here, the black portion on the copper melts down, so that could be a glue. So it's also blocking the current, small piece of glue blocking the current. And I had to clean it using Q-tips and isopropyl alcohol. And when I tested it, everything is working fine again, and the touch seems to be working fine. I tested it for like hours. I played chess on it and it works fine. So I hope it works on the customer end as well. Concludes on my video. Please like and subscribe on this video, and we'll see you on the next video.